Got a 2016 Dodge Dart in the shop today. Customer complaint was no crank, no start. First thought was check the starter. We had power and ground to the starter, but actually when the key was on, starter case had power, which it shouldn't. We tested the signal wire, it was good too. So looking, when I didn't fix, they told us check ground G, I don't know if it was G110, but I actually came in here, pulled the fender liner because it's framed engine ground. So I went to wiggle the ground wire and it actually broke straight from here, which would make sense why we're not getting a good ground for our starter crank, because we actually were able to arc the starter using a pry bar touching the control arm and it would crank over and start. So this ground right here that goes from the transmission, I guess, not engine, up there to that stud. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna split these. We're gonna cut that, split those, and then we're gonna run a new cable from the stud to there, and we'll show you what we got after. Okay, we built a new cable, ran it from there up there. We cleaned both the grounds. Now we're gonna hook the battery back up and see if it'll do anything. Go ahead. There we go.
All we had to do on the little Dodge Dart, we found the little ground cable right there was bad. Built a new one. Here, I'll show you what the end of that one looks like. Right there, that's how it looked when it was rotted off. But if you have a little Dodge Dart that won't start, check there. That's what we found. Thanks for watching.